One of the things that fascinates me is how we develop our motor skills. Anybody that's watched a group of 5-year-olds play soccer, you will know what I mean. It's absolutely pure comedy. There's a lot of falling, there's a lot of missed kicks. In some cases, the entire ball gets missed altogether. Fast forward 10 years, about 15 years old, and everything is changed. Skills are almost perfect, and some kids actually get selected for professional leagues at this stage already. But what happens in those 10 years? A lot of that can be owed to the cerebellum. It has more than half of all the neurons in the entire brain. It also takes a long time to develop. So there's two things happening. You have to produce billions of cells, and to produce those cells, you actually have to have a long time. So in humans, that starts embryonically, and it continues till about the teenage years where things are still developing. But those first 5 years after birth is when there's a lot of dynamics, a lot of the critical cells are being produced in the cerebellum. This is what gives you the ability to learn, to get better over time. It's not just practice and feedback, but it's actually, as kids, getting the right cells to the right place. And after that, those cells have to wire up and become ready to produce these fine behaviors. There's a flip side to this. With this amount of cells being produced over this period of time, this opens up the cerebellum to a lot of potential problems, whether it's the onset of genetic problems, whether it's injury, or it's actually something in the environment. So one has to be very mindful with your kids growing up. You want to actually nurture them in a way that supports health of the brain as well. That means sleep, exercise, and diet are absolute musts. And right there in the center of this is cerebellar health.